Alright, so I had some breakfast, and now I just did this free Cool Whip at Kroger video. I'm going to upload that, and then I'm going to need to pre-film the 4-day sale video. I also have a bunch of stuff in my planner that I need to just sit down and get done today. So that is what the plan is for today, just to get a bunch of stuff done. I do have to go to Walmart. I will do a Walmart video. That's on the plan for today. And yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, so it's pretty late. It's actually 7:45 p.m., but today's been a really good day. It's been a day of working, kind of, for me. Doing videos, getting back into the YouTube thing again. It's been a while since I've done a lot of coupon videos, but I found some deals, and a lot of you have responded to it. I've got quite a few views on the video about the Cool Whip at Kroger, so I'm going to go ahead and do a Walmart video now, and I'm going to pre-film the 4-day sale video for tomorrow. And that's what I'm going to do now. So, yeah, I'm going to also go through the list of stuff for my planner and get that all squared away today. But, yeah, that's what I'm doing now, and I'll keep you updated. I know, I'll come on the camera and chat with you all later, but I've just been busy working on videos and not a lot else to share. Alright, so I have this ginormous bag of stuff from my room. I was cleaning out my room, and then also I have these 2 bags from Walmart today. So what I'm just going to do now is put stuff up in the stockpile again, and then we'll wrap it up for the night like we always do. So let me fix the camera a little bit. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to clean up the stockpile, so I'll have a sped up version so y'all can see. So my mom just told me my dad needs, for their little white elephant gift exchange, he needs a basket of stockpile stuff. I know, I've got to shave. I'm going to shave in the morning. It drives me crazy looking in this camera and seeing the hair on my face. I know some people can pull it off, but I'm not one of them. Anyways, I am going to make up a basket. She asked me if I would mind doing it real quick. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'll just show you all how I do that. So, first of all, it's going to start out with this Dollar Tree basket. Let's just keep it simple, right? Dollar Tree, love their baskets. So, we're going to use a Dollar Tree basket. And I'm not actually sure if this is supposed to be like unisex or what, but that's how we're going to play it. So, we are going to go ahead and stick in a Colgate toothpaste. We are going to stick in, I don't know these people, right? Sorry, my grandparents keep their spare clothes in this room, so you might be wondering if that's why you're seeing clothes. We're just going to put a bunch of random stuff in. Alright, so I went up and asked my dad, and he just said to throw in anything random. It's a white elephant gift exchange, so I don't think it has to be anything fancy. So first of what we're going to do is we're going to put in these CoverGirl pencils in addition to the toothpaste. I know, Amy knows personally, like, we can never have too many of these stupid pencils. So, Merry Christmas, White Elephant Gift Exchange, people. What else do we have in the donations? My gosh, so many of those. It's unbelievable. Where are all those lipsticks? Here they are. I'll throw some of those in. Alright, so remember all these CoverGirl lipsticks that Walmart paid me to take out? That's definitely going in the basket, so I can at least get a fraction of them off my hands. Then I also got this eye palette at CVS, so I'm going to throw that in there. If you're a guy and you get this basket, whoever you are, I feel sorry for you. But, yeah. So, my mom found this hard as nails. We're going to throw that in, and to get rid of this, I mean, I still have, oh my gosh, I still have so many. I'm going to get rid of this Clairol Natural Instincts, throw that in, and I think people will like this Fordo coffee shots. We're going to throw that in as well. We are also going to throw in one of these Clean and Clear jelly masks. Alright, so I'm going to throw in one of these Neutrogena facial bars, because you all know we have like 6 million of these over the last few weeks. Alright, so I'm going to add in a pack of Reach floss, because, you know, who doesn't need dental floss in their life? So I'm going to also throw in one of these Advils, and this is getting like a really nice basket. These people, whoever gets this is going to luck out, but you know what? Why not? Give them some awesomeness. I am also going to throw in one of these L'Oreal Everpure hair mask thingies. Let's stick it behind this. Alright, so we're going to put this whole blends in. I don't know, it is more towards women, but I'm sure a guy could use it too, or maybe give it to their wife or something. Alright, so we're going to throw in one of these hand soaps, and I know it's a big gift, but it's a lot cheaper than going out and spending, you know, $25 on a gift card or some other random thing. So and this is probably going to be much more beneficial for people. So we're going to throw in a thing of hand soap. Alright, this really breaks my heart, but my mom thinks it's a good idea to throw in a thing of really fancy body wash. We're going to throw in some Olay. It breaks my heart, but a lot of people are weird about Suave and stuff, so we'll just, you know what, it's Christmas, so I guess we'll just give them the Olay. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and throw in this simple hydrating booster. I got it for free at Rite Aid, and we don't really know what we do with it, so we're going to throw it in the basket. We went ahead and threw in another toothpaste because we have literally so many of them, we just decided to throw another one in. Alright, so I'm going to throw in a box, this should be it, of this Kleenex Soothing Lotion just to round it out. And we have so much stuff, I'm just trying to give back a little. So yeah, that should finish out the box. Alright, so let's just wrap tonight up. I am here to finish tonight. Not a whole lot happened today. It was kind of a boring day, but I got a lot done, which was awesome. It's been, you know, a really good day of work. Like, I got back on YouTube again and did a lot of couponing videos. I did 2 different YouTube videos, which is awesome. I am so happy I was able to catch back up and do some YouTube stuff, and I know a lot of you tuned back in who haven't been commenting for a while. I've seen a lot of you back, so I'm excited for that. I went to Walmart and did a lot of the deals. I did the Carefree deal, the eggs, the Biotine, the Senecott, the Johnsons, and the Bic razors. Forgot to mention the Bic in my Walmart videos. If you haven't seen my other 2 couponing videos today, you've got to check those out, because there are lots of deals going on that I found today, which is awesome that I came across, so I did those. While at Walmart, even though I've said 1,000 times I finished Christmas shopping, I did go ahead and do some last-minute purchases. I still feel guilty like I didn't do enough for my one grandma, but at this point, I'm not really sure what else to do. I did grab her this fruitcake. This is kind of an impulse. It was for something. Let me read the $4.28. Went ahead and grabbed her this. I think she'll like that. She used to really love fruitcake, and I just I don't know, I wanted to get her something fun. All I felt like I did was give her cleaning supplies and pain relief items. I also went ahead and grabbed, for my mom, this Pioneer Woman kitchen oven mitt and pot holder. This is like $6. I just went ahead and grabbed it because I don't know. I wanted to get her something else and I couldn't find it. It says the Walmart in the next town over has it, but our Walmart doesn't. So yeah. So I just went ahead and opted for that. And I also just went to the photo lab and got these pictures made off for the one gift that I showed you that I'm doing for my grandparents. So that was Christmas. And I also went to the pickup tower today. It's new at our Walmart. It's a big tower. You pick the stuff up. You did site to store. And I got those bed pants that I ordered for a certain person. So yeah. Christmas should be done now, honestly. Tomorrow I'm going to wrap gifts, the last remaining portion. And there's a lot, honestly, to wrap. I'm not bragging or anything when I share the gifts. I just thought a lot of you could potentially find it interesting to hear me talk about gifts. So that's why I do. What is that? Loud vibrating. I keep hearing a loud vibrating noise. I wonder if it's the dryer or something. I don't know. But anyways, yeah. So I went to the tower, got the pants. It took them a little while to find them, but they finally gave it to me. So I'm going to wrap all that tomorrow. Tomorrow we're having a Christmas gathering at my grandma's house. So that's why I got to get gifts wrapped tomorrow. I need to make some specialty cookies or whatever. And I'm going to be straightforward with you all, and it's going to be humiliating if I don't pass again. I did my driver's test, and I passed the driving portion, but not the maneuverability portion. And tomorrow I've decided I'm going to go and do the maneuverability portion again. I practiced again. I did really good. But I'm just so scared that I'm not going to do good there because I'm nervous, honestly. Those people down there are not always the nicest. There's a nicer guy, and then there's a not-so-nice person who works down there. So you never know who you're going to get. So I'm a bit nervous to go down there, that I'll fail. Because I did good you know, when I practiced at the little course that I went to before, I did good, and then I went to the maneuverability test and didn't pass. But I feel better now, and I feel like I've learned the turns, 1-2-1 method thing. I found that online, and it's really, really helped. So I'm like hoping and praying that I can make it happen tomorrow. Yeah. With maneuverability. So keep me in your prayers, and hopefully I go down there and do well and pass. I would love so much to pass that test. I'd have my license, because my permit's going to run out soon, so I got to get that license before the permit runs out. And like I said, I'm not in any big hurry. I'm not like planning on driving all over the world or anything, all over the United States. Just to be able to commute from school and to go to the store by myself and be able to, you know, do things by myself would be nice. So I really want to have my license for that, and that's what I'm hoping I get tomorrow. So yeah, I'm going to wrap, go down there and try for the license again, and I'll keep y'all posted. Go down there and try for the license. I'm going to wrap gifts. Need to go get blood work. I don't know if we're going to or not. I'll have to see. I don't know if they're open tomorrow. There it is again. There's that noise. What is going on? I'm going to have to ask someone. Well, I keep hearing that vibrating noise, so if you hear it, let me know. Maybe I'm just crazy. But yeah, I got quite a bit done with work today. I'm happy about that. I'm going to go to the Christmas party tomorrow. I'm going to bring my own food, because I'm going to be honest, Panera was not good. Didn't work. I just decided no more eating out. We're just not going to do it anymore for a while. I just don't want to try anymore, because I don't really want to experience the symptoms of eating out. It's not worth it. Honestly, it really isn't worth it. So I've decided Panera was a flop. I'm just going to not do it for a while. And it's sad, because it's really hard. It's Christmas, and it's hard to socialize and stuff without eating out. It's our culture. That's what society does. But at the same time, I don't really feel like dealing with flare-ups all day. So that's something I'm trying to work on, is just write out eating out from my life at this moment. Alright, and then I want to mention the perfect white elephant gift. That was the perfect gift. I really think those people are going to love it. And I asked my dad, and they're actually all women who are going to be there tomorrow. He's going to be the only male there, so they'll all really luck out from that basket, because it's got all, like, Olay and Garnier. I'm not saying a man can't use that stuff. I'm just saying usually women are the ones who are more gravitated towards it. So, yeah, that's good. And the makeup and stuff, they'll really love that. I'm excited for them to get one of them to get that basket. And it's supposed to be worth $25, and that's worth way more than $25. That's why I love those stockpile baskets. We had stuff here. It wasn't like this big, you have to go to the store and rush around in the crowds to find a $25 gift. Oh, it was here. There you go. It was that plain and simple. So the perfect white elephant gift came right out of my stockpile. So love, 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 love that. Yeah, there's not that much else. Wrapping for Christmas, trying to find some not gluten-free. I don't even know if gluten-free is the issue at this point. I'm still up in the air. So I'm trying to find what to do. And so that's going to require, I cannot go to my grandma's house and eat the meal she's prepared, which is going to suck. I have to bring my own food again. And you know what, though? At the end of the day, it is what it is. And I love seeing my grandma, but there is this, you know, I'm not in the mood. One of my cousins teases me a lot, and I'm really hoping he doesn't tease me about this, because I'm just not in the mood for that. This cousin I don't think he means harm by it, but sometimes what he thinks is being funny isn't funny to me, so I'm hoping he doesn't joke about it. Who knows, I might edit this part out because it was slightly personal. But, yeah, so that's it. That's what's going on tomorrow. It's going to be a busy, busy day, so I'm going to have to get up earlier. Wrapping gifts will take a while. But what I'll probably do is I'll probably film me and just do like a time lapse and show you me wrapping all the gifts. I didn't do a very good job last time because it literally took so long to wrap. I didn't feel like filming all that. But tomorrow I should just do a time lapse of the whole thing. I'll show it to you. And a lot of you should enjoy seeing that. So, yeah, that is all I have for today's Vlogmas. Go check out those other videos that I did today about couponing deals. If you're interested, check that out. And, yeah, thank you so much for watching.